Hi, Katrina, it's Emily. Is it okay for you to talk now?
Hi, Emily. Yes, it is.
Great. I'm interested in hearing more about your role as Senior Application Consultant. Can you tell me what your job entails?
Yeah, I implement SAP systems and processes on our offshore wind farms together with my team.
So, what's a very interesting day like at work for you?
That's definitely when I'm conducting workshops and training sessions where I get to explain the end-to-end processes to the users of the applications.
And what are the most important skills to bring to this type of role?
You need to have both great listening skills and people skills in this role. It's also important to have the overview of the data that feeds into the systems and how sites operate their wind farms.
And what would you describe as the most important attribute in your role?
To me, being ambitious is very important. And it's not only being ambitious for yourself, but also for your team and the company.
And finally, what's the most rewarding part of your work?
Yeah, as a product owner, I experience all the benefits from working agile. By working agile, we ensure our priorities across the different teams match the customer's needs, as it is a very transparent way of working, and that feels really rewarding.
It was really nice to talk to you today.
You too, Emily. Bye.
Bye.